anak ng bayan, El Katipunero, and Pinoy Wrestling's DIY superhero, Super P, Super Friends. And also, the team of Balian Aki and Super Asia champion, May Suruga, Best Bros.
Best of the bros, people.
Opening the floor for questions. Who's going first? You have to raise your hand if you don't have the thing.
Yeah.
You don't have a thing.
Don't have the thing.
Anyone? Don't be shy.
Oh, Rafi.
Rafi?
Oh, right.
No,
There's
no,
nothing.
no.
Right. Okay, sorry, my bad. Rafi from Rafi Griffin.
Just project.
Yes. So obviously, I was observing you guys and how you were like interacting with each other. Like I noticed there's a lot of respect in the room. Like as athletes, anyone can answer.
You can make assumptions right now.
Okay. I don't have a question then. It's not. Yeah. Just as athletes and pro wrestlers, anyone can answer. How do you balance respect and competition?
To me, they are one and the same. Yeah. Let me
Sure. Yes.
尊敬とコンペティション、体制はどうやってやってもらうと思いますか？私としては、普通の同じことです。前の後ろで。Something profound. Let them know.
I haven't told that party.
Yes.
Just 何楽しんで。
いや、なんか尊敬するね、相手と。でも勝ちたい。この気持ちをどうバランスしていますか？
でも勝ちたいに強く。
She says she is more focused on the competition compared to respect. I myself generally feel the reason there is competition is because there is respect. That's one of the reasons. Because I respect someone, because I think they're great, because I think it is, to me, myself, an incredible, like it will be an honor to even win a Olympic. That is one of the biggest, like, that's what makes rivalries, that's what makes somebody worthy, and even myself worthy. Like, if I think somebody is nothing to me, then that win means nothing to me. Even if I win, there will be no plus. Like, you can think of it like, as I think every single one of us went to schools. Have anybody ever felt proud in getting into a school where everybody can get? The harder a school is to get, it's not even about respect. Like that very strength demands respect. That very competition demands respect, and that is to me the same thing. It is incredible. It is an achievement. There is competition because there is respect, because it's so great. At least that's how I feel.
I think respect actually makes competition better, because when you respect your opponent, then you will bring out your best. It will bring out the best in you because you respect their abilities, you respect what they can do, and that means you respect them enough to be able to give them all that you've got. So I think respect is what really makes competition even better, more exciting, and it brings out the best in all of us. El Katipunero usually speaks in Filipino, in Tagalog, but he's gonna try his best today for the very first time to speak in English. But first, I have to electrocute his brain. Okay, everybody, let's chat. SUPERFRIENDS Super Friends English.
Look at boy, I knew they were made up. No way these are best friends.
So the question is about respect, alright? Extent of my respect, of course, I came here wearing my best national attire for the best rules information. This is the barong. This is our national attire. So I am on my best attire. This is my best face right now because I'm welcoming you. You are our guests. We are establishing respect. Yes, because we're here on an equal footing, right? They're our competitors. However, when we meet in the suffering, tomorrow, there's still the respect. But tomorrow, the competitive spirit, I think, will overcome a little of that respect. There's still respect, sure. They are, I would say, the best tag team in Planet Asia, correct?
Yes.
So, there will still be that measure of respect. And that's why we're going to do our best tomorrow. We are going to show them the power of friendship.
Yippee! Yippee!
What? Yeah!